Hello, today we're going to be utilizing a tool called ZeroGPT, and they have many different features from an AI detector, AI humanizer, plagiarism checker, summarizer, translator, word counter, a dictionary, and an AI email helper. But today we're going to be using the AI detector and the humanizer. So first we're going to start off in ChatGPT, and I'm just going to ask them to please write me a cover letter for a desk attendant position. So we can go over the prompt together and see how it sounds. It says, "Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in a desk attendant position at your organization. I'm enthusiastic about the opportunity to contribute to a welcoming and well-organized environment while providing excellent service to guests and visitors. I bring strong communication skills, attention to detail, and dependable work ethic. In previous roles, I have been responsible for greeting guests, managing front desk operations, answering inquiries, and ensuring that daily administrative tasks run smoothly. I am comfortable handling multiple responsibilities at once while maintaining a professional and friendly demeanor. I take pride in creating positive first impressions and assisting people efficiently and respectfully. Whether it involves answering questions, coordinating with staff, or resolving minor issues, I approach each task with patience and a problem-solving mindset. I'm confident that my reliability and customer-focused approach would make a strong addition to your team. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills align with your needs. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely," and your name, phone number, and email address. So based off of first impression, I would say that sounds great. It sounds professional and well structured. The only problem is, if you put this through a detector, you're going to get flagged. So that's where we go to ZeroGPT. As you can see, once we scanned for AI through Grammarly, it detected that it's 94% AI generated. Here we are on ZeroGPT, and all I'm going to do is paste that script in the box for the humanizer. And let's see what comes out. Let's read it together and see how it turns out. Hiring manager, I want to work as a desk attendant at your company. I think it would be great to help make your office a nice place to be. I want to make sure everyone who comes in feels welcome and gets the help they need. I am good at talking to people, paying attention to details. I also come to work on time and do my job well. At my jobs, I was in charge of saying hello to visitors, taking care of front desk, answering questions, and making sure everything runs smoothly. I can do things at the same time and still be nice and professional. I like making people happy when they come in. I want to help them and be respectful. If someone has a question or a problem, I will try to fix it. I am patient. I like to solve problems. I think I would be a person to work with because I'm responsible and I care about helping people. I would like to talk to you about how I can help your team. Thank you for reading my letter. Sincerely," and then your name, your number, and your email address. So right off the bat, without even testing if it removed AI, we notice that there's a lot of grammatical errors, there's a lack of structure, it doesn't really make sense, and it just removed any ounce of professionalism and really dumbed it down. And this is the basic model, but even at that level, I think it should be functional. When we scroll down, we'll see that it says on this basic public model, there is a 70% chance that it could be flagged for AI, even though we already put it through this humanizer. Now we can do the same thing and put it through Grammarly, and as you can see, it did end up removing the flagged AI, and now it says it's 0% AI generated. But if you were to use this, you would have to go back and fix all the mistakes. I just don't really think it's that functional at the basic plan. And I do know that the way that they made it this way is because they want people to go premium. But I think there's a much better way than having such a dysfunctional basic plan. The way to people's pockets is through trust, and if people can't even trust you to do the basics, why would they go premium? So I think they still have to work on those bugs and tweak it a lot. And they're also running ads, which I don't mind. I know they have to make a profit, and the sound is optional, so it doesn't bother me. Here are the creators. Here's Edward Tien and Alex Tway. They are both in their 20s. They started when they were 22 and 26 in 2023, and they're doing it big. They raised a lot of funding and hoping to see more from them. And that was my review on Zero GPT. Thank you.